What if I told you you could start losing belly fat within the next 7 days without starving yourself, without doing endless cardio, and without following extreme diets? Sounds unrealistic, right? But here's the truth. Most people fail to lose belly fat, not because they're lazy, but because they're following the wrong strategy. And today, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed system that actually works. So make sure you watch till the end, because one of these steps is something most people completely ignore, and it's the reason their belly fat never goes away. Before we start, if you're serious about improving your health, your body, and your mindset, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I post simple, science-based content that actually helps you change your life. Now, let's break this down. First, you need to understand something important. Belly fat is not just about appearance, it's connected to your hormones, your lifestyle, and your daily habits. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, and high cortisol levels tell your body to store fat, especially around your stomach. At the same time, poor sleep, processed foods, and lack of movement make it even worse. That's why doing random workouts or crash diets doesn't work. You need a system. Let's start with the most important factor, your diet. You don't need a strict diet, you need a calorie deficit. That means eating slightly fewer calories than your body burns. But here's the mistake people make. They cut too much food too fast, and that leads to cravings, burnout, and quitting. Instead, reduce your calories by about 300 to 500 per day. Now, focus on this. Eat more protein. Eat whole foods, reduce sugar and processed food. Protein is especially powerful. It keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, and helps your body burn more calories. Simple rule, if your plate looks natural, you're on the right track. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Start simple. Walk more. Aim for 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. This alone can make a huge difference. Then add strength training 3 to 4 times a week, because muscle burns more calories even when you're resting. And here's something important. Doing only cardio is not enough. A mix of walking plus strength training is the fastest way to lose belly fat. This is the step most people ignore, and it's a big mistake. If you're not sleeping properly, your body holds on to fat. You feel hungrier, you crave sugar, and your energy drops. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Even improving your sleep slightly can speed up fat loss. Remember cortisol? High stress equals more belly fat, so you need to manage it. Simple ways? Take short breaks, practice deep breathing, go outside, spend time away from screens. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can help reduce stress levels. Let's quickly talk about what not to do. Skipping meals, doing extreme diets, only doing cardio, expecting instant results. These things might work for a few days, but they don't last, and if it doesn't last, it doesn't work. Here's a simple routine you can follow. Morning, light movement plus sunlight. Day, eat balanced meals with protein. Evening, walk plus light activity. Night, sleep properly. That's it. Simple, effective, sustainable. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest struggle you have with losing belly fat? Is it diet, motivation, consistency? Comment below. I read every comment and I'll try to help you. Remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Because real transformation doesn't come from doing something extreme once. It comes from doing simple things every single day. So start today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this, because your future body is built by what you do today. Let's make it happen.